bitch, I'm back and my ass got bigger.
Wow, let's try it.
Take a video of yourself walking and disappearing behind a tree. Now change your outfit and walk out from behind the tree. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your first video into InShot. Press PIP and import the second video. Press autofill to fit to screen. Press mask and select the linear mask. Drag and adjust the clip so you get something like this. Drag your clip and make some final adjustments. And here are the final results.